Alright, greetings wherever you are. I trust this finds you in a great mood. So I want to make a small training to help those of us who are very busy on how to post on TikTok. So it is something very simple, and I want you to follow through very keenly so that you can understand what usually happens. So the first thing, you go to gallery. Okay, so let's put the gallery here. Okay, you go to gallery, and then you make sure the photos that you have them in your phone. Okay. So these are the photos I want to post. These ones, the ones that I made today morning about leadership. So these one characteristics of a good team leader. That is what I want to post. So this is how I usually post my photos. We have the heading. Okay, this is the heading, and then so usually this is the order of my photo. We have the heading. So this is the heading. A team leader is it explains, and then after that now we have the key pointers. Okay, or rather the whatever descriptions. So that is how it is. That is the order. You have to be very careful. That is the order. And then now we have the ending. So this is the first ending, and then there's the last one. So you can put them in that manner if you want to, okay? Because of course eventually I'm going to become your mentor. So the people that you are going to talk to, I'm still going to talk to them and help them be able to build on the business. So that is one thing you can do. Also, you can also follow that in case you do not have your own testimonies or you are not able to create your own content. It will take you some time before you get to a level where you have a good phone where you can now learn how to create your own content. So that is what happens. So the first thing, you arrange those photos like that, and then secondly, you go directly to your TikTok. Okay, so like that, and then you look for a song that you like. Okay, so when now you come to this window, TikTok will bring you to another sound which maybe is the mostly used one. Now if you don't like it, now you come down here, you change. There is a place here, not switch to video. There is a place here at the top here, so where the music icon is. So you click there, and then you go to favorites. Favorites is on the right side, so you go here to favorites. I think you can see it, and then you'll find that the video that the sound that you want to use is here. This is 3 minutes 23 seconds. That is the one. So you click here, tick. So once you have clicked tick, it will put that song there. Okay, like that. So you can hear everything is well arranged. So the person who is coming to read will be able to, they will like what they are seeing probably. And of course, people are looking for good things like this to read. They don't know where to get them, and it's a good thing. So after that, you go to next. There's no need of putting anything there. And then you can tag those people that you want to tag. If maybe they are in your team, you can tag them there. And then you need to put your hashtag. Okay, so I usually put join my team today. Join my team today. Join my team today. And then I put this, and this one I think it's better. Calls for attention today, and then support and mentorship is guaranteed. Support and mentorship is fully guaranteed. And then now down here I can put my hashtags. I can remove it, and there's no need for having it. Then down here I can put my hashtags. So now once you've reached that level, you save as a draft, and then you can now go and find the hashtags that you want. So let me find the hashtags. Okay, so I have found the hashtags. They're here. So these are the hashtags I'm going to use. So you copy the hashtags, and then you go back to TikTok, and you refresh your photos. You'll see the first photo that is written draft, you go there, or rather the first content or video that is written draft, you go there. So you have to make sure that this one is going to go like this, like a photo, and then you go next. Also, when uploading, remember that you put there a photo that attracts people to your inbox. So you can go there and write, for example, now you can use this one that is here, join us today, turning ordinary people into extraordinary millionaires, or you can just write to join my team, or contact on WhatsApp, to join my team, then number on bio. So if you are adding a word into the photo, so if you are adding a word to the photo, make sure you can just write it like that, and then you position it very well. You position it where you want, okay? And then you can change, if you want to change the color, you can always change from there like that, so that someone is able to see it. So remember always to put something or a word on one of your photos directing people to go to your WhatsApp. However, when you're doing it while you are uploading photos in this manner, be reminded that you have to write for every photo, because if you go to the next photo, you have to write again something on that next photo like that. Click next, and then anything you had already written, it will be here. Alternatively, instead of going back and forth and back, you can just copy all the hashtags on your shift key keyboard and copy bubble, you put them there. So you have to remember, when you start using some hashtags, TikTok always wants to suppress your views. But however, these hashtags eventually, they usually reveal some content to some people. Okay, and you get that some people who are trying to look for this hashtag, they're usually very curious people, and they usually find you and they start following you. Okay, so eventually in the long term, people are going to start looking for you. Also, even it will get to a point, you will start growing and people will start looking for you for that attraction and attention, and they'll be using these hashtags to be able to locate you. Okay, and of course, TikTok cannot suppress you forever when it comes to all this. Okay, so now once you have the hashtags, make sure you have tagged those you want to tag, you allow commenting, everything is very safe, and then you are satisfied with everything, and then from there you can now post. Okay, so the way it is just okay. It will just align the photos the way it should. That is good. So the next thing maybe you can do, you can select cover. There's no need of writing. Yes, you can select cover like that. Then you can come and you put cover text. You can put there team leader, and then you can put done, and then you put it somewhere like in between there. Okay, then you save. That is good enough, so you can always have a look at it on how it looks like that. That is very good, and then you just post. There's nothing else is remaining, everything else you have already sorted very well, and then you just post. So after posting, it will go here. After posting, it will go. So I want us to look at it and listen to it. We see if it is a good one. There it has arrived. So if someone is coming to watch your work, he'll see a team leader. Okay, and they're going to be tempted to want to watch. So let's see how that looks like. So I hope we are going to listen to the song. Okay, so let's watch it. Very clean work. And something, and then you can use that now to be able to do your business more easily. So follow through those steps, and then you'll be able to learn. In case this is difficult to do, you can just borrow your friend a phone. You send this link to their WhatsApp, you open this video in their phone, and then you watch it as you do it with your phone. That will be able to easy to learn. You'll be able to learn very fast and be able to do your work and make it much easier. The next thing is you have to make sure that the photos are exactly the same size, like the way they are cropped. Okay, so you can see all these photos, they are in form of, they are squares, 1:1 ratio. So I'll make another video to teach you how to crop all the photos so that they become 1:1 ratio. Then when you post everything, it is very clean work. Okay, so up to that level, try that, and then let's see how many of you will be able to grasp and get this whole process, so that you can continue building a very good business outside there. Remember, people are always watching, and they might be watching, so many of them might be watching and they will not react. They just want to watch and keep on watching. So let's keep on building.